If you are using any of these iPhones, you need to pay attention.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Because if the screen breaks today, this is the amount of money you are going to spend to fix it.
Is that how you work?
Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll be listing it from the least expensive to the most expensive. Number 6, iPhone XR. Just have your 50,000 naira. Number 5, iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is 136,000. Number 4, iPhone 12 Pro Max. 152,900. I promise you, it gets better. Number 3, iPhone 13. A whooping 169,200. Number 2, iPhone 14 Pro Max, 264,000. Number 1, iPhone 15 Pro Max, 475,950. If your phone is not insured, better go and download Scrella now and insure your devices because we're going to protect you against accidental damage. So if anything happens to your phone, we'll fix it for you for free. So head on to your Apple Store now and download Scrella so you can enjoy peace of mind.